Hello everyone, you're watching the Savera and I'm Pavit Kaur. MP from Khadur Sahib Amritpal Singh, who is right now lodged under NSA in Dibrugarh jail, has given an open challenge out there to the leaders who are accusing him of drug abuse. He has said that he is ready for a dope test, and so should be the leaders who are right now accusing Amritpal in the past of being a drug abuser. With me, I have the party spokesperson and Amritpal's lawyer Imam Singh Khera, with whom we will discuss this whole scenario, like what has been said and what challenges is the party giving openly out there to the leaders who have accused Amritpal Singh of drug abuse. Imam Singh Khera, Amritpal has given an open challenge out there that the people, the leaders who are accusing him of drug abuse should undergo a dope test. And so is Amritpal ready for a dope test? What is this whole scenario? What is the story behind the same?
First of all, thank you, Pavitji, for taking the version of our party on this thing. See, there have been in the past, there have been many allegations, mostly through media platforms, that most certain uh, co-accused of Pai Amritpal Singh, certain co-party members of Pai Amritpal Singh have confessed before the police that Pai Amritpal Singh is into drug abuse and so, and all sorts of vague allegations. So the one prominent name the media was bringing forth again and again was that of Bhagwant Singh alias Pradhan Mantri Bajeki, who on earlier occasions also and this time also, when on 31st of July 2025, there was this court appearance of all the accused persons in Ajnala police station incident of about 40-50 persons, including 9 who have been brought from Dibrugarh. So at that time, Pradhan Mantri Bajeke explicitly told that they were threatened by the police and their signatures were taken on blank papers. And only after that they have printed those statements. So he explicitly told that there is nothing of such as drug abuse, drug addiction by Pai Amritpal Singh. And moreover, this thing was also brought by media 2-3 weeks ago, and when on 24th of July 2025 I met Pai Amritpal Singh, he clearly told me that the police machinery on the behest of the ruling government, they are putting allegations of on me. So to refute that those allegations, MP Pai Amritpal Singh explicitly told that I am ready to undergo a dope test. If Punjab police is having any doubt, Aam Aadmi parties and having any doubt, they can conduct my dope test at any time from Dibrugarh jail, from Dibrugarh hospital, wherever they feel like. And after dope test of Amrit Pal Singh, the Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Singh Maan, there are also allegations of drinking on Bhagwant. So he should also go undergo dope test, and also other political party leaders like Bikramjit Majithia, who were also accused by Amrit Pal Singh of such corrupt practices of drug abuse. So they should also undergo dope test. This is the explicit statement of Pai Amrit Pal Singh, though there has not been any counter over this by any other political person or by the Aam Aadmi Party or by the Punjab Police also.
So he is saying that he is ready for the dope test, and even the statements that were given, because we saw the visuals also. We saw that how you mentioned that the accused who were brought from in the Ajnala court hearing, they also said that these were the statements in which they were asked that the things that have been accepted have been due to the political pressure or due to the police pressure. What did they basically mention?
No, basically, Pradhan Mantri Bajiki mentioned that police threatened him of third degree torture. That if you don't put your signatures over blank papers, then we will give you third degree torture. He told me the same thing when he phone called me, and over phone call also, when we meet also, and now also before the media. He said the same thing, that they threatened us with third degree torture, that either you put your signatures over blank papers or we will give you third degree torture. So that's why all those 9 persons, they have put their signatures over blank papers, and now police is writing all sorts of stories. See, if we check the confessional statements written by the police officials, they are just a Bollywood movie script. Like the DIG, IG, SSP of Amritsar were sitting over a cup of tea and they were discussing. that we should write this and this, because see, if we check those confessional statements, there's nothing regarding the Ajnala police station incident. It just consumes those things like what happened at Dibrugarh jail within a time span of 2 years, what they were doing, what clothes they were wearing, what undergarments they were wearing. So this is completely irrelevant with what happened at the Janala police station. So it's becoming
Have
too.
you gone through the confessions, because you were mentioning,
Yes,
have you gone through,
yes,
do you think that there is something which weights something, which has actual meaning to the, which makes any difference to the hearings that are taking place in the court?
no, see, per se, as per the Indian Evidence Act, Section 27, the confessional statements before police officials are not admissible, and so not they hold no chance in the court. See, the Taran by-election is going to come, I guess, in the month of October or November. So before the by-elections, as the Taran MLA seat falls within the Khadur Sahib parliamentary seat, so it's the area of Bhai Amritpal Singh. Majha is the backbone of Bhai Amritpal Singh. No doubt now the whole of Punjab is standing at the back of Bhai Amritpal Singh. But see, so to target that Majha seat, Taran MLA seat, so that's why these I would rather say that these confessional statements are being put forth before the
So
media.
you think that this is a political vendetta, basically to malign the image of Amritpal Singh?
Yes, definitely, it's a vendetta to malign the image of Pai Amritpal Singh, nothing extra. And that also particularly before the Taran by-elections. So it's a complete vendetta to character assassination, nothing else. But we are also ready. See, Pai Amritpal Singh is the Pradhan of our Akali Dal Waris Punjab De party. We are ready to go forth. So, and Pai Amritpal Singh is also a very truthful and a very ethical person, a person of very high moral ground. So there are no chance of him getting into any such type of practices. So these malicious propagandas, agendas, and narratives of ruling government Aam Aadmi Party of Punjab Police, we are ready to defend them at all cost, and we won't belittle our Pradhan. We won't let it happen. We won't let his image get tarnished. We will defend him at each and every platform.
Do you think that Amritpal Singh should be brought back to Punjab from Dibrugarh?
Yes, definitely. For that purpose only, we have now we are going to approach the Honorable Supreme Court. We have hired senior advocate Collins Gonzalez. So I had 2 3 meetings with Mr. Collins Gonzalez, and he's completely going to put the case before the Honorable Supreme Court within the coming week or the next week, and definitely we are going to uh, ask the Honorable Supreme Court to quash the NSA of Pai Amritpal Singh and bring him back to Punjab.
Right. So bringing rest of the 9 people back to from Dibrugarh to Punjab and keeping Amritpal over there, what do you think could be the main motive behind the same? Do you think that the reason behind the same could be that if he would be brought to Punjab, again that thing which started when Amritpal came into limelight, that could again start in Punjab? Could be this the reason behind the same?
No. Actually, if we see the chronology of events, so what happened? All the other 9 persons were brought to Punjab within 21st of March 2025 to 25th of March 2025. And the NSA, second NSA of Pai Amritpal Singh was to elapse on 23rd of April 2025. So prior to that on 14th of April, we held a very huge Vaisakhi conference at Takshri Damdama Sahib district Bathinda. So there was we may say a massive crowd of thousands and thousands of supporters of Akali Dal Waris Punjab De party. So within 3 days of that conference, when I guess Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann felt threatened because of his political chair going to a Panthak party, MP by Amritpal Singh becoming the next CM in 2027. So within 3 days of that, on 17th of April, the third NSA was imposed on by Amritpal Singh. So that was the reason. Secondly, see, Pavichi, as you mentioned, that I don't find anything wrong in what happened prior to 18th of March 2023. Pai Amritpal Singh was holding Khalsa Vahir. Youth from all stratas of society, from all communities, be it Hindu, Sikh, Muslims, and Christians, were coming towards Pai Amritpal Singh to get Amrit Sanchar, to become Amritari. They were shunting away drugs. So that was a very beautiful episode in the history of Punjab when a social movement was built in Punjab after Kisani Andolan. Kisani Andolan was for economical reasons, for to save the land, and this Khalsa Vihir was to save the youth, to save the future generation. So it was a very social, very big social movement, a historical social movement. If we go today we are going to have over the Kendri Singh Sabha here's discussion over the revivalism of Akali Dal. So what was if I am to go into the history of being of Akali Dal, so what's the history of Akali Dal? Earlier there were 12 Akali Jathas prior to 1920. They would go into Punjab, into villages, taking out Khalsa Vahir, talking about political issues, making people Amritdhari. So after a 100 year, so this episode came again into Punjab. So it was a very beautiful journey of 6-7 months from August 2022 to March 2023. So I guess Pai Amritpal Singh will be released soon. With the due to the honorable Supreme Court, we will get justice from Supreme Court, and there will be also once again a very beautiful atmosphere, a very pious and a very religious atmosphere in Punjab.
Thank you so much, Imam Singh Khera, for sharing all the details and information with us. So, this was Imam Singh Khera, the party's spokesperson and counsel to Amritpal Singh. He's stating that Amritpal Singh is ready for a dope test, and he is giving an open challenge to the leaders out there who have accused him of drug abuse. With Sumit, this is Pavitra for the Savera.